So you have got the killer product or service. You know your customers are out there, but you can't reach them efficiently. The big boys, your competitors, have hundreds of salespeople to chase down leads and get stuff done. But you don't. How can you compete with that? Now imagine having access to that kind of information, so you could go beyond just competing with the big boys. Well, now you reach the exact person you want to have a business conversation with. You just have to pinpoint your target audience, and our sales team will get in touch with you with the number of available qualified leads. It's that simple. Is inaccurate data hurting your business-to-business revenue? At eDatabase Marketing, we've built cutting-edge data updation solutions so that our customers can focus on maximizing revenue and building quality relationships while we handle the technical stuff. Solutions are backed by the top comprehensive customer data, which covers 49 industry segmentations, and we are the only 150-plus tele-verification team by most of the Fortune's small and medium-sized companies. We are ready and waiting for you to join us.